Whoa, this was so close. Whoa, that was a big huck. So finally new bike day for me. I decided to speak in English for this video, maybe just to see if more people will give me feedback on Propain. But anyhow, yeah, I decided to go with an e-bike because lately I don't have much time to ride, so I hope that with an e-bike things will change a bit. I went with Propain, even though I considered taking YT or Canyon, but yeah, I like Propain for some time. I took a Ekano aluminium XL size with my components, etc., and I ordered it on Leap Day because they had a discount, and that's where things went a bit south, because from that point first estimation was that the bike will be shipped by mid of March. That didn't happen. Then week after week I just got a response to my email, if they even responded, like bike will be ready next week, frame is missing, then next in 2 weeks like components are missing. I felt like it was dragging the delivery date. Bike finally came few days back, so I waited for it 2 months. And I didn't appreciate this from Propain. I was quite disappointed by it. I don't know, maybe it's a normal deal with Propain that you wait for the bikes for so long. For me it would be better if they said, like, I don't know, bike will be there within 2 months or something, and that's it, and not drag week after week. But anyhow, bike is here. I just placed my mudguard wheel on the bike. Fork is sucked in a bit or something because it extends only after putting 100 psi in it, okay, which I need, but I think extensions come out at maximum, I don't know, 170 millimeters, and they supposed to be 180 travel, so it should be basically 180 millimeters up until Kashima logo somewhere here on the top, which is not the case, so it's not fully extended fork, but I'll take a look at that. Yeah, I also bought this Diet Bro black camouflage wrap. I think it would go nice with the bike, but I'll see if I'll place it because I already have something here. I don't like because it will go over this logo, but yeah, I will see about it. I think maybe it will really look nice on the bike because it's olive green. So in the end I decided to put this frame protection. I think it looks actually really good on this color, so I'll continue doing that actually. But we'll see. Yeah, I already have on the bike the protectors here, but yeah. For first time it actually could have been way worse. I'm really happy how this turned out. Looks pretty nice, no bubbles or anything on either sides. Now the worst part or hardest part, well, we'll see how it goes. Okay, in the end this looks really great. I just took a bike for a really quick spin. I didn't even charge it. It's already on 20%. Now I noticed I made a maybe mistake and took it without a screen, but I may change it at some point. But anyhow, so far so good. Bike is really silent actually, like, I mean the motor is really silent, but I have some rattling, possibly the cables that I have to sort out because my ransom was really quiet. I still have to see what is wrong with the fork. Okay. Oh, everything here is oh my god, nice. I could never pull that on a normal bike. I mean, I could, but not as fast. Oh, one thing that I had issues with battery. I took it out, I could not fit it back. I wrote to Propain just to see what's up. It feels like it's a bit off the clutch or how it's connected here. Brakes are still not bedded in, but yeah, this is a steep part coming up, so I'll see if I will manage, because I'm not really skilled on e-bike for climbing or in any kind of riding. I will put it actually to boost here. Oh my god, it climbs, I can't believe it. And now here, if I don't manage, I will probably fall down. Okay, I'll just go and try to bed in my brakes here. One thing I don't like is the silent hub. It's pretty silent, and I like the loud hubs. I don't know if the noise I'm hearing is from the engine, some smoke. Whoa, this was so close. My brakes are not working yet fully. I think actually the rattling comes from the front end somewhere. I'll have to demystify that, because I don't like rattling in the bike. Ooh. And they say you don't get tired on e-bike for a lap. I don't know if there is a car. No. Oof. I have to see where is all this rattling coming from. Ah, no, 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 no. Whoa, that was a big huck. Ah. So apart from the rattling, bike feels good, but I think the fork is pretty harsh. I know, I guess I didn't set it up correctly. I mean, on the small bumps I feel like it's pretty harsh, but what is great about the bike, in opposed to my Ransom, front part is really higher up, so you feel much more support. It feels much more stable that way. Whoa, almost killed the pigeon. Oh fuck. But all in all, I think I have to set it up, fine-tune it, I guess, and then it will be great. But anyhow, bike feels great. I think it was justified, the waiting period. I will see what to do with the fork. I don't think it's a Propain issue. And yeah, can't wait to go on some more challenging trails with this one and do some jumps and so on to set up the suspension properly. And yeah, that's it.